Hello everyone, in today's video we'll compare between LlamaIndex versus LangChain. LlamaIndex is your go-to tool for building structured data pipelines. It's perfect for indexing and querying large data sets, making it a powerhouse for data-heavy applications. Think of it as the librarian of your AI ecosystem, organized, efficient, and precise. On the other hand, LangChain is all about flexibility. It's designed for chaining together language model tasks, making it ideal for building conversational agents, chatbots, and complex workflows. If LlamaIndex is the librarian, LangChain is the storyteller, creative, dynamic, and adaptable. So which one is better? It depends on your use case. If you're working with structured data and need fast, accurate queries, go with LlamaIndex. But if you are building interactive language-driven applications, LangChain is your best bet. Ultimately, both tools are incredible in their own right. The choice comes down to what you are building. And that's all for today's video. Please support us with like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.